Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Roger. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and installation on the Streamlight TLR6 for your Smith & Wesson Shield. Now, I ended up getting their universal kit, and from what I understand, their universal kit up to 18 subcompact handgun models: M&P Shield 40 and 9, Glock 42, Glock 43, Glock 26, 27, and Glock 33, Kimber Micro, SIG P238, the SIG P938, CAR CT9, CW9, CM9, CT40, CW40, CM40, TP9, P9, PM9, TP40, P40, and the PM40. So, that is a lot of models. So let's get this thing unboxed and check it out and install it on my Shield. Let's go. Alright, so I have the TLR6 Universal Kit here. That's what the box looks like. It's 100 lumens, has the integrated laser. So essentially what it is, it's like a sandwich. And you take it apart and it would open up, and then you would screw both halves together and it would wrap around your trigger guard. And that pretty much integrates itself into your trigger guard / frame area. Like I said, it fits 18 models. These are all the models it can fit. I'll hold it up for a couple seconds so you guys can see it. And then here's the back of it. I think I paid a little bit too much for it, to be honest, but I really wanted it, so whatever. $149.99. But let's open it and see what we have. And then after unboxing it, we will put it together and I will give you my final impressions. I'm gonna give you guys a update video on shooting it later on. But here you got a little booklet. You got the TLR6 itself. Then you have all the other lighting systems for your different firearms. And then they give you a sticker. And then your instructions manual. Well, let's actually take a look at it and see the quality of it. So, obviously it is a polymer type material. The buttons feel actually really tactile. Can't hear it, but they depress really good, so that's a plus. And then you got the battery door at the bottom. And then I'm assuming either right here and right here is your windage and elevation for your laser. I'm gonna have to double check the owner's manual and make sure I'm not giving you guys false information. So I'm gonna go ahead and find out which one fits the Shield, and we're gonna get everything installed. So I'll be right back. All right, and we're back, you guys. So I did it off camera, and the one that's actually on the very top of the actual package itself is the one that fits the M&P Shield. So let's go ahead and clear check the firearm. Verify clear. And let's install it. You have that. We have your two little batteries. I'm not sure what type of batteries these are. 1.3s. A 3-volt lithium battery. So I'm gonna actually do a little bit more research on these batteries and give you the actual battery name at the end of the video. So what I found out prior is that this screw right here and this screw right here are your elevation and windage to sight in your laser. So all you have to do is, on this side of it, there's 3 Allen screws, and you just unscrew it and it will open up like a clamshell. Three screws, okay, and then what you do is you pop the battery door open, and that's how you get it open, like that. And all you do is just slide it over the front of your trigger guard just like so. And then this is removable, so your lighting system and your laser system is removable. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in on this side, and then install the other side of the trigger guard. Give it a tight little snug squeeze fit, and then turn it around and screw your Allen screws in. You can tell which side they go in because they have these little indentations where the screws go in, and the head of the screw sits flush in the actual holes itself compared to that side. Alright, let's get our screws in. Alright, and there you have it. And then you can pop open your battery door and see how it goes. Like this. I'm sure. Okay, so for the functions, if you just tap it, it turns it on. You tap it again, turns it off. Now if you hold on to it, that's your momentary. And then you can let go and it'll turn off. Hold on to it, that's your momentary. And it's like that for either side of the buttons. And if you want to cycle through the modes, you hold one side and then press the other side. And that's how you cycle through it. And then you go to your desired lighting style that you want, and then just let go of it. And then once you press on it again, that's the mode that you currently had on it. So if you leave it on, it will automatically turn off in 10 minutes. I'm gonna give you guys an update range footage here in a couple of days. It's gonna be maybe included in a different video, or it will probably just say update video. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the pistol, because last time I took this to the range, when I very first got it, I had a couple failure to feed issues on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned out, make sure the feed ramp is good, make sure the magazine springs are good, and run a little bit better type of ammunition instead of just some crappy range ammo. But other than that, it feels really good for a subcompact single stack gun. I mean, you can't beat it. It's only 100 lumens, but that's all you need to identify target in your house. And then you have the option of having a light laser combo. There's some other stuff on the market, like Recovery Tactical offers a rail system that's sort of like the TLR6, but it gives you a 1913 Picatinny rail, so you can attach the Olight Valkyrie Mini on it, which is 600 lumens. And you know, you'd be pretty much spending the same amount. The Recovery Tactical system with the Olight Mini Balder would be a really nice combo, and you would probably get more bang for your buck than this. The only reason I got the TLR6 is because holsters are more prevalent to find. So if you're looking for holsters for a Smith & Wesson Shield for an Olight Valkyrie Mini, I guarantee it'll probably be hard to find, or you would have to get it custom made. So that's why I went with the TLR6, so I can have a IWB type holster. But construction, fit, and finish feels really good. It feels durable. I mean, just for everyday use, what I'm gonna be putting it through, I'm not gonna be jumping off a helicopter and doing raids in buildings and stuff like that. You know, this is just a good civilian, things go bump in the night type of light. But there's your installation video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, subscribe on the video. Leave some constructive criticisms to let me know how I can make my video better. Just don't be an asshole about it. But I'm out, you guys. Peace.